In this video we will learn how to use calculator in window. So I just search here the calculator and just click on the open it, and here you see the calculator is open. Now you can use it easily. But here I open the one notepad, and when I click on calculator the notepad will hide, and when I click on the notepad the calculator will hide. So if you want to don't hide the calculator, so you can use the standard calculator. Here you see the option standard calculator. Just click on here, and this calculator is not hide when you work on your notepad. See, this calculator is not hide. So you can drag anywhere your notepad, the calculator will not hide below the notepad. So you can effectively use this calculator. So there is a have a so many calculator in this. Just click on this option, and here you see the scientific calculator also available, graphic calculator also available, programmer calculator also available, date calculation calculator also available. These are the calculator available in this calculator. And there is a second option, converter. This is a most useful option. You can convert the currency, volume, length, weight, temperature, energy. There is a so many option in converter. I just select the first one, currency, and here you see the United States dollar convert in euro. I just enter the 7. I just enter the 70, the 64 euro, the $70 here you can change your currency. There are just so many option you can use here. Okay, and you can change your currency. Okay, the converting currency also have option, and if you want to use the converter, different converter, you can use it. I just click on the weight. You can see pound and kilogram, so you get the easily here the all details. Okay, so this is a way you can use the calculator the different way. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.